Hello everyone. Lily here, and in this video I'll walk you through how to fix Netflix black screen. You can't even watch any videos because a black screen comes up every time you start watching them. It's an issue that affects people in different ways, so I'll guide you through the methods now to guarantee that you fix the problem. Well, there are multiple reasons why you might be having that issue. One possible cause is that there is a problem with Netflix's server. Therefore, go into your Google Chrome browser or any browser you have and then enter "Is Netflix down?" as the search term. Just choose the down detector, which is a type of third-party website. It mentions Netflix, and there are no issues with Netflix. Now if you're on a down detector and it shows Netflix is down, that's clearly the issue. Netflix's servers are now unavailable. If you're on this page and it shows there are no issues with Netflix, the next step is to verify that your internet is working correctly and that you have proper speeds. Well, I'd run a speed test. Again, just type in a speed test on Google and select the first search result, Speed Test by Ookla. It is a reliable site to test the speed of your internet connection. That's the second thing to check to make sure you have enough internet speed. If it is somewhere above 10 megabytes per second, you should really be able to watch videos without any problems. Please make absolutely sure your download speeds are good enough to view Netflix, and if none of that works, I'd recommend going into your settings and then into apps. Then searching for Netflix on the top search bar, selecting it, and then going to storage, where we'll want to clear the app data and cache. After that, all you have to do is log back into Netflix and everything should be okay. If you follow those 3 main steps, you should be able to stream Netflix without experiencing the black screen error. I hope this information is useful. Do let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.